Orlando Pirates midfielder Sipho Mbule has used the club's record-breaking MTN 8 victory to underline his determination to cement a place in the Bafana Bafana setup under coach Hugo Bros. The Buccaneers lifted their fourth MTN 8 crown in style on Saturday night, cruising past Stellenbosch FC with the commanding 3-0 win at a packed Mbombela Stadium. Mbule, who was one of the 6 Pirates players to join training only midway through the week after the international duty, featured prominently in the triumph despite a grueling 2-week schedule. The 27-year-old had been drafted into the Bafana Bafana squad as a late replacement for the injury Patrick Maswanganyi and went on to play in the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers against Lesotho and Nigeria. His appearance in the 1-1 draw with the Super Eagles marked his first national team outing since 2021. Reflecting on his return to the international fold and subsequent club heroics, midfielder, affectionately known as MasterChef, admitted it had been a challenging but rewarding spell and said the past 2 weeks haven't been easy, but it's the work rate we put in during the preseason that carried us through. You could see it even in extra time today. Everyone was fit, and that's because of the work we did in Spain and after returning. Mbule credited Bros for handing him another opportunity with Bafana Bafana and insisted that the experience had sharpened his hunger to push further, and said, "I was quite happy with the way we played, the minutes I got and the chance from Coach Hugo. For me, it was just a stepping stone, a chance to improve and then come back here to Pirates and show the same qualities I showed in the national team." With Pirates back on top of the domestic cup scene and Bafana Bafana looking to fine-tune their 2026 World Cup qualification campaign, Mbule's resurgence could not have come at a better time, both for the club and the country. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.